Well, hello. Life doesn't get much better than this. Hazy ocean morning, steps from the door of the van. We are almost to San Diego. We won't say where we are because we stayed here overnight. The parking was actually pretty great, but we also don't want to ruin it or get in trouble after the fact because maybe there was a sign we missed coming into the city, or who knows. Either way, we always play it low key. But yeah, this is a pretty great place to be. Today we're going to meander our way down the rest of the way to San Diego, go to some beaches there, spend some time seeing the sights, maybe rent e-bikes, I don't know. We'll figure it out.
Me first.
Yeah, she's not much of a biker, but it's like, come on. World's favorite pastime in 1905, or I don't remember what that was. Something like that. Someone correct me if I'm wrong. Anyways, if there's something we should do, tell us in the comments. What should we be seeing down here? We've been to San Diego before, but not really with this much time or freedom. So tell us where we should go, and stay tuned for the rest of the day. Oh yeah, that's the other thing. I've got a surprise for Marilyn, and it's actually kind of funny. We're going to be doing something this afternoon that's going to be pretty cool. But the funniest thing about it is that she put it on our list of things to do the last time we came to San Diego, and we never got around to doing it. And she's totally forgotten what it is. So yeah, anyways, we're going to be doing that today. So
And a video of that.
yeah, we will video it. And it's funny because when you see it, you'll be like, oh, duh, of course.
I
But
want to get a video of this guy here.
oh, this guy.
Yeah. Watching us cautiously.
Yeah. What on earth are they doing? Yeah.
Something waiting does.
Yep. Simple things, please. Simple minds, as the saying goes. She was just making the joke that she looks like one of those birds that scampers down. I think they're sandpipers. I think she got the legs part down and the chasing rolling rocks part down. Right now she's hunting for clams that aren't big enough to eat.
Got a live one, but he's already sucked into his shell.
Just looks like a big tongue anyway.
I know. That's not a clam, it's just a rock I want.
If it's free entertainment, I'm fine with it.
This is little shell opening. See him.
Watch him catch your finger.
Yeah. Oh, there he goes. Bloop.
But this is what I deal with all day. She trails along behind. Shiny object catches her eye. She stops, picks at it, runs to catch up. This is the cycle of our life. She only wants me for my keys. Oh, Lipsel.
My Lipsel. The one you didn't want to carry.
Well, we're back at the van. I think it's going to be time to hit the road. The other thing we need to do is an oil change. There's a place kind of nearby, so we might go and get that done too. Always need to keep the maintenance up. Something we're probably pretty bad for, especially in this old beater. Anyway.
So you think one more can for this?
Can you zip it up? Yeah. And I remember the last trip we went on when we got it. When I read up on it, this has a really big system because it has that one as well.
Right. But it is significantly colder though now, hey?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. It's
feel it.
noticeable. Before it was warm.
Yeah.
So I think one more can. It came up to just barely the pressure for the ambient temperature, but it's super warm underneath the van, so it's got to be a little warmer, I think. So I need the pressure to be a little bit higher.
Right.
And that can, we'd use kind of everything that can has. So.
Nice. Well, at least we'll have some cooler air blowing on us.
Some air conditioning, gotta love. Nothing beats having a hunk of garbage of a vehicle, so you've got something to do 24/7. It's actually half the fun is piecing stuff together.
Are you recording me right now?
Yep.
I'm trying to get that zinc out of my lips. Oh, I see. Did I suggest this last time?
Yeah, it's in our bookmarks because you
It's probably trying to find a place to get rid of her.
So welcome back. We are now in San Diego, Oceanside.
Santiago.
We're at Dog Beach, if you know what that is. It's kind of like where all the surfers hang out, it seems, and all of the riffraff. There's probably about 30 vans here in the parking lot at least. But no overnight parking. Not allowed to park between 2 a.m. and 4 a.m. But yeah, she's creeping on the pickleball players and the volleyball players and everything that's going on out there. Looking all from her little hidey hole.
Like I said, I didn't have to be a creep before because I could look out here and then some big ass truck got in the way. Now I gotta be a creep.
She's just a creep. She doesn't need a crack to look through to be a creep. She is a 100% unadulterated creep to the core. But yeah, so we're going to get some of Mike's tacos here soon.